How to. First-time registration for business credit card services. Community First is always looking for ways to improve our online and mobile banking experience for members. We're excited to launch a new experience for credit card holders. When logging into online or mobile banking, you'll need to complete a one-time registration. Let's review the steps. Step 1. From the home screen, select your credit card. Step 2. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Click Next. Step 3. Verify the last 4 digits of the tax ID, business's established date, and the zip code for the business. Click Next. Step 4. Verify your profile information. Enter the first and last name of your business's responsible individual, an optional card nickname, and complete any missing fields. Click Next. Step 5. You'll now be asked to create 3 security questions to help verify your identity in the future. Select from the options provided. Click Next. Step 6. A pop-up will appear confirming you've been enrolled. Click OK to go to your account summary page.